Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan R-line 2.0 tdi DSG with 150 horsepower and only 67,432 kilometers on the clock. This sleek blue estate Jock Jeep is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine and boasts a range of comfort and safety features, including Bluetooth satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags. In addition to its luxurious interior and stylish exterior, this vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. With its chrome accents, privacy glass and roof rails, the Tiguan is not only stylish but also secure. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie today for more information on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Drive in style and safety with the Volkswagen Tiguan R-line 2.0 tdi DSG.